Yes, hello. Kiyahan, good
Hello,
evening.
teacher.
Yes, good evening. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Okay, and how about my video? Can you see me well?
No,
No? Is it still loading
no,
up?
I can. Yes,
Can you see me now?
yes, I can.
Fantastic. I can see you too. Great to see you again, Kiyahan. So, is there anything else you want to is there anything that you want to tell me? Anything
Uh,
special?
now today I just has exam.
You just had what? I'm sorry?
An exam.
Exam. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, how was the exam?
Uh, it's easy.
Oh, so do you believe that you can perfect your exam?
Yes.
Oh, congratulations now. Okay. So, did you take exam for all of your subjects or just for one subject?
Just one subject, and tomorrow I will I will have I will have um another test. The subject is math.
The subject, can you say that one more time? Subject.
Subject.
Okay, the subject is math. Okay, so
Yes.
I think you like math, correct?
No.
No. What did you study in math? Are you done? Are you uh good at division or multiplication? Are you good at multiplication? Have you heard that word? Multiplication
No.
or division?
I never hear that word.
I haven't heard that yet. I haven't heard that yet. Say it that way.
I haven't heard that yet.
Okay, so maybe you are studying that, but that's the correct term for multiplication. Okay, so I'll be giving you an example of multiplication. Okay, I'm sure you can understand this mathematical problem. Okay, so
Yes.
example 3 multiply by 5 equals,
Uh,
so 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to, or you
yes.
can actually say it into this way. 3 times 5 is equals to, what's the answer for
What?
that? 3 times 5.
3 times 5.
Mm-hmm.
Um, is 15.
Yes, very good. So 3 times 5 is equals to 15 is an example of multiplication. I'm sure you are studying that.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, how about division? This is the opposite of multiplication. So I'm going to give you an example of this. Okay, so 15, okay, divided by 3 is equals to, so that is for division. All right,
Yes.
15 divided by 3 is equals to,
Uh, 50, 15 divide, uh,
divided
th-
by,
divided by 3.
yeah, how would you answer that?
My answer is 5.
Very good. So now let me repeat my question. Are you studying multiplication and division in math?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that's the term for mathematical um, subject. Okay. So
Yes.
mathematical word or terminology for that. So that would be division and multiplication. But for your exam, is it more on division or multiplication?
Yes. Uh, it's all.
All of them?
Yes.
Mm. Is division very easy for you?
Yes,
Yes,
very.
very. And also multiplication. Is it very easy for you?
Yes, it's easy too.
Wow, that's great. That's really great to hear. So I'm sure if you are good at this point, because these are the difficult one, um, I'm sure you can perfect your exam too in math. Okay? So
Yes.
that's good to hear. Now, about the multiplication table. Have you heard that word? Multiplication table.
No.
Multiplication from the word multiplication. Multiplication table. So it's a set of numbers,
Yes.
okay? Just like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21, blah, 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 up to 10. Have you memorized the multiplication table?
Yes.
Okay, let me check. 7 times 7.
Uh, 49.
Wow, great. 8 times 8.
Um, 64.
Wow, okay. 9 times 9.
Uh, 81.
Okay, good. 6 times 6.
Uh, 36.
36. Okay. How about 7 times 8?
Uh, let I remember.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, uh, 56.
56. Okay. How about, let me check, okay? 8 times 6.
Um, 40, 48.
Very good. How about 9 times 7?
Um, is is a 60, 63.
Okay, great. Very good. Great job.
No, very bad.
Not that too fast, but you answered me correctly. Okay, that matters most. Because in math, you should give the accurate answer, even though you're very slow in, solving, but just you are sure with your answer, and that's good enough. Okay, so it
Uh,
doesn't matter that you are very fast, but your answers are wrong, so it would be better to answer it slowly, but your answers are correct. Okay, that's much better. Okay, because math is an accurate um, subject. Okay, you should be
yes,
accurate. Okay, cannot be changed. All right. Now, thank you for that, sharing me with your exam. Okay, so I hope that you will surely have a good or high grades in your exam. Okay. Now, let's
yes.
check your homework regarding the vocabulary words. Scared. These are the words we studied last time. Scared, angry, snorkeling, and surfing and sailing. Okay, let's start.
Uh, I'm really scared the ghost.
Okay, so when you are saying scared, don't forget the preposition of. Okay, of. So you will say, you can also correct that on your paper. I'm really scared of ghosts. Here you go. Okay. Okay, next sentence.
Um, am, uh, no, she's, hungry. She's very hungry, because the cat, um, the cat can't catch the mouse.
Okay. So she's very angry because the cat cannot catch the mouse. Okay. Because it's very big. Have you seen a rat that as big as the cat?
No.
You haven't? Me, I did see a rat that as big as a mouse. Sorry, I saw a cat. I saw a rat that is as big as a cat. Imagine that. I was so surprised, and I was so scared when I saw that. So cannot catch the mouse.
When you see it.
When did I see that? I
Yeah.
saw that maybe 2 months ago.
Oh,
2 months ago, and I was really shocked. I couldn't believe my eyes. Oh man, the rat is as big as the cat. Oh, I'm scared. That's the reason cat cannot catch the mouse, okay, or the rat because it's so big, cannot eat it, right? They only catch
yes.
this tiny rat, okay.
Yes.
All right. Next sentence.
Um, I didn't snorkeling.
Okay, snorkeling. I didn't know how to snorkeling. Okay, you can also say that way, or I uh, did not snorkeling. Can you add this a little more? I did not snorkeling because
Uh, I did. I didn't snorkeling because uh, I don't know how to snorkeling.
or you can say I didn't. Just remember, Giyahan, when you are using word, just use it once. Don't repeat it,
Yes.
okay? So I didn't
Yes.
snorkeling because I don't know how to. How to. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Can you repeat that sentence? I
Yes.
didn't.
I didn't snorkeling because I don't know how to.
All right. Next. What's your last sentence?
Um, I don't know how to sailing.
I don't know how to say. Okay.
Yes.
I don't know how to sail. Okay. You can use it that way, or you can say I don't know how to go sailing or to do sailing. Here you go.
Yes. I don't know how to sailing.
I don't know how I don't know how to do sailing.
I don't know how to do sailing.
Okay. All right. Now, for all of your sentence, that's really good. Okay. So I'm gonna give you, okay, five. Five. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay, you did a great job. Thank you for doing your homework, Kia, Kiahan, and thank you for being so smart. All right. Now, I'll be sharing you our lesson. Still, we are in Unit 16. Okay?
Yes.
Do you know about polar bear?
What?
Polar bear.
No.
No?
I just know it's a kind of the bear.
Mm, okay. You're close to the real one. A polar bear has white color. Okay? And that's where we're going to study about the polar bear. All right?
Yes.
So have you viewed your the link that I've sent to you?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Please scroll it down to page 12.
Wait
Okay?
for me. It's loading up.
Okay. No problem. All right. So before we read that paragraphs, okay, or that article, um, I'll be giving you some vocabulary words. Okay?
Yes.
You may encounter this word Arctic. Okay? So when we say Arctic, it means North Pole, like in Alaska, the country Alaska. Or do you know Santa Claus?
Yes, I know.
They said that Santa Claus lived in the North Pole. Okay, so normally those people who live in the North Pole, that place is so freezing cold. It's chilling, full of ice. Okay, so Arctic,
Yes.
if we say icy Arctic, that's a region nearest to the North Pole. It means it's a very cold place. All right, do you understand the word Arctic? Kiahan, do you understand the word Arctic? Hello? 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 Kian, I cannot hear you. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, what happened?
My Wi-Fi is had problem. I don't know why.
Maybe because of the internet interruption on your Wi-Fi. Is that correct?
Yes,
Is that right? Okay,
yes.
at least it just fixed right away. All right, so let's continue. Okay, so can you say the word Arctic? Please say.
Arctic.
Yeah, please say Arctic. Do you understand now the word Arctic?
No.
Arctic is a place near to the North Pole. Okay, Arctic. Okay, let me put it this way. Is a region near to the North Pole. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, just like for example, for North Pole, Santa Claus lives in the North Pole. So when we say North Pole, it's a very freezing place or region. Okay? Full of
Yes.
ice. Okay. Now the word starve. You have question about Arctic? Do you understand it now?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now, let's have the word starve.
Stove.
Yes. Starve means extremely hungry. Okay? Do you understand that
Yes.
word? When we say
Yes.
starve, it means extremely hungry. Not just only hungry, but very, very hungry. Okay?
And we die.
Alright. Okay. Next, we have blubber. The word blubber. Okay? So, when we say blubber, normally this polar bear creates blubber or they usually blubber. Okay?
Yes.
So, they have thick blubber or fat. Okay? Fat that protects them from cold. Okay? So, that's the meaning of blubber. Okay? Do you understand the word blubber?
No.
No? So,
Yes.
if you are going to see a polar bear, normally they are so fat, okay?
Yes.
Um they are usually covered with fat so that they can be protected from extreme coldness, okay?
Yes.
Mhm. Okay, so there is another meaning for blubber. It means to weep noisily, okay? But in our lesson, it means different way, okay? They have thick blubber. So it means to say it's fat inside inside their body. That's why they're very big. Okay, they are being covered with thick thick fat. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Next one is walruses. Can you say this word? Walruses. Walruses.
Walruses.
Okay. So when we say walruses, I'll be showing you a picture. It's an animal that has a um normally they have a sea animal. Okay. Okay, for you to have an idea, I'll give you a picture of it. Okay. So it's a large gregarious marine mammal. They usually have a big bone. Okay.
Yes.
So have you seen the picture? They
No.
usually stay. I sent it to you.
It's loading
It's
up.
still loading up. Okay, so they are
Yes.
a large gregarious marine mammal and they usually live in Arctic waters. Okay, they have
Yes.
long ivory tusks. Can you see that? Long ivory tusks. And they have whiskers Okay? The hair
Yes.
here, they are called whiskers. Just like cat. Cat has whiskers here. And they have
Uh,
a thick layer of blubber. So blubber is a fat to protect them from cold. Okay?
yes.
All right. The next one is rodent. Do you know the word rodent?
No.
No? Okay, I'll be showing you a picture of rodent. Rodent is very just like hamster. Okay? Did you see the picture?
Yes.
So example of rodents are
Yes.
hamster and rat. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, great. All right. Now, do you have any questions about these vocabulary words? Because you may encounter these words as we read the article about the polar bear.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know the picture of polar bear too? They usually have white color, white fur. Okay, and they're very big. Okay. So on page 12, first I'll be reading it. Then later, you will read it. Okay? Then I'll ask you some
Yes.
questions about the article. Okay, I'll start now. The polar bear makes its home in the cold and icy Arctic. Other animals might freeze or starve, but the polar bear knows how to live in the snow. Polar bears have thick blubber or fat that protects them from the cold. They also have a thick fur coat. The polar bear's coat is white. This allows it to blend into the snow. That way, the polar bear can sneak up on its prey. Polar bears swim well. They eat seals, walruses, small whales, and rodents. In the summer, they may eat berries. Polar bears will also eat people. They may look cute and furry, but be very careful of this big bear. Okay, now it's your turn to
Yes.
read.
The polar bear makes its home in the cold and ice Arctic. Other animals might freeze or starve, but the polar bear knows how to live in the snow. Polar bears have thin blubber or fat that protects them from the cold. They also have a thin fur coat. The polar bear's coat is white. It's also it to blend into the snow. That way, the polar bear can sneak up on its prey. Polar bears swim well. They eat seals, walruses, small whales, and rodents. In the summer, they may eat berries. Polar bears will also eat people. They may look cute and furry, but be careful of this big bear.
Okay, do you understand what you read?
What?
Do you understand what you've read?
What does it mean?
What you've read about the article. Do you understand the article? This
No.
paragraph. Okay, it's about the polar bear. A description of polar bear. Okay? So there are some
Yes.
words here that you need to repeat again. You need to repeat it, okay? So, can you say this one more time?
Yes.
I see.
I see.
hmm Do you understand the word I see?
Yes.
What does I see mean?
Uh, it's like the eyes.
Yes, very good. Now say blubber.
Blubber.
Okay. So when we say blubber, according to this paragraph or to this story, it's a fat. Okay? It's a fat what?
Yes.
That covers them from the cold. Okay? Another word is allows. Say that word again. Allows.
Allows.
Very good.
Allows.
Do you understand the word allows?
No.
Allows means to let someone do something. Okay? To let someone do something. Okay? Example. I allow Giyahan to stretch her hand or her hands. Okay? I allow
Yes.
Giyahan to stretch her hands. So you can stretch. Can you stretch your hands? Can you stretch
Yes.
this? Okay? Stretch it
Yes.
really, really hard. So I allow you to do that. Okay? Now do you understand the word
Yes.
allow?
Yes.
Okay, I allow you to jump. Do you want to jump?
No, I
No.
don't want.
Okay. Now give me an example of a sentence using allow.
Uh, I allow. I allow teacher to to die.
No, don't do that. That's very. That's not okay. That's not a good word. Another word.
I allow my dad. Uh, I allow my dad to um to kill my dog.
To clean your dog.
No, to kill my dog.
To kill your dog. Okay, that's so brutal. You know, killing, dying. Okay. How about the other way around? Okay, words that are suitable in your age. I allow Giyahan to swim in the lake. Okay? I allow
Yes,
Giyahan to swim in the lake. Okay? Now, can you give me another
yes.
example of the sentence allow?
I allow uh I allow you to um try to swim in the beach.
Okay, I allow you to swim in the beach. Okay, good. Now, do you understand the word allow?
Yes,
Okay, great. Now, the word pray. Okay? Pray. Say that word, pray.
right.
So when we say prey, it's an animal taken by a predator as food. Okay? Predator's the one's
Yes,
gonna catch um
and
something.
eat them.
Yeah, the one who is going to eat its prey. Example, cat and rodent. So the predator there is the cat and the rodent is the prey. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Can you give me another example
Um,
of prey?
Pray. Okay. The insect is my prey.
Mm. So meaning to say you're eating insect?
Yes,
Because you're the predator and the insect is your prey. Okay?
yes.
All right. How about what's the prey for snake?
Uh, I don't know.
For the snake,
I don't know.
snake eats what?
It's Uh, the prey for snake is it an ant?
Mm, have you seen snake eating ant?
Never.
Never. Okay. Um, you they eat snakes eat. Okay, snakes. I think you're studying this in your science. Snakes eat rodents.
What?
Rodents. Example of rodents are hamster or rat.
Yes.
Okay, so snakes eat rodents. What else? Frogs.
Yes, frogs
Mm-hmm.
and the people.
Yeah, yeah, sure. They can also eat people. They can swallow. Okay, so the prey for snakes are rodents or frogs or people. Okay, so
Yes.
snakes. Okay, I'm gonna show it here. Snakes are the predator. Okay, rodents are the prey for the snakes. All right, now do you understand the word prey?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now let's talk about that article. Okay, where is it? Oops. Oh, I lost it. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so let's talk about that. Okay, let me just scroll down my slide to page 12. Are you scared of snakes?
Yes. I'm
Everybody.
very scared.
Yes. Okay. Me too. I'm so scared of
I
snakes.
know.
You know. What if I say no, I'm not
Yes.
scared of snakes? That's new.
Everybody scared the snake,
Yes. Yes. Everybody
and my
is.
dad too.
Yes. So everybody is scared of the snakes. Okay?
Yes.
Now, let's answer this question on 13, page 13. Okay? Number
Okay.
1. You can read, you can choose. Okay? Read your answer.
Yes.
Number 1.
Um, polar bears are found in sea, the freezing Arctic.
Very good. Number 2.
Polar bears can live in the cold because they eat blubber for lunch.
Are you sure? Are
No,
they eating
they have
blubber?
thick fur
Very
coats.
good. Okay, they don't eat blubber. Okay? That's their
Yeah.
covering. Blubber means it's also the same as fat. Okay? Next, number 3.
Which sentence is true? Um, let me think. Um, polar bears blend into the snow.
Okay, that's very good. What does this sentence mean? Polar bears blend into the snow. What does it mean? What does this sentence mean?
Uh, this sentence means uh, they live in the snow.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Any other reason?
No.
The other reason, your answer is correct, and we can also add it because of their color. Okay, they have white fur, right? They can
Yes.
blend to the snow. What's the color of the snow?
Uh, it's white.
White. So when they blend to the snow, you cannot see the polar bear, especially when they hide themselves. Okay, because their fur is covered with the white fur. Okay, their body is covered with white fur, so you cannot see it.
Yes.
Okay, with your bare eyes. You can notice it once you look it closely. Ah, that's a polar bear. But if you look very far, you cannot see it because it blends to the snow. As if that it mix it mixes to the snow. Okay, but your answer is correct. Okay, let's have number 4.
Number 4 is which of the following do polar bears not eat? I think it's the salad
Why do you say salad?
because the polar bears eat, are eating people, rodents, and walruses.
Very good. Okay, great. So, you did a great job in answering these article. All right. So now let's move to the next lesson. Okay. So I'll
Yes,
be sh- sending you a link for that. Okay. Just bear with me.
yes.
This is Unit 17. Congratulations. Do you have any questions before we move to Unit 17?
Yes, why it's fast to change the unit.
Because we're almost done. That's the end lesson. Actually, that's almost 2 lessons that we left last time. We should
Uh,
be done by last time, remember? But this time, this is only the 2 last lessons that we have in the lesson, in the unit. Okay? So we just
yes,
continue it. Our lesson actually is Unit 17. We just have a short, um, review about it. Okay?
yes,
All right. So I've already sent to you the link for the Unit 17. Okay. So on page 1, let's describe the picture. Okay, I want you to tell something about the picture, the first page. What can you say about the first picture?
uh, I can see uh, many places
Mm-hmm. Many
and
places.
many places
Mm-hmm. How many
and
places
they
do you
are
see?
very beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh, I can't count them.
Mm-hmm. Is that all?
Yes,
So these are the places where you can go, and each character corresponds to different places. Okay.
yes.
All right. What else can you see? You use your eyes to see what's inside the picture. Example, the trucks. I can see a trucks here. What
Yes,
else? What else do you see?
I can see um many statues.
Many
Statue,
statue. I'm sorry?
statue.
Statue. Can you type it, please?
Now I can't count them.
Statue.
Now
Mm,
statues.
statues. Is that the word?
Yes,
Statues. Ah, I see. Stations? Do you mean
yes.
stations?
No, no.
No?
I mean statues.
Ah, okay. Statue. Do you mean the
Yes.
statue? Okay. You see some statues? Okay. All right. That's good. All right. What else?
I can see the the dragon.
Dragon. What else?
Um, and the dinosaur,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
the
Mm-hmm.
horse,
Mm-hmm.
and many pets.
Okay. A lot of pets. Okay. Can you see the two zebras?
What?
The two zebras.
Yes, I can.
Mm-hmm. Can you see Peter Pan?
Um, yes, I can. Uh, is it? He is on the jeep.
Sheep. Okay, so he's hanging on the sheep.
Yes,
Okay, say it again. Sheep.
sheep,
Shh. Say that way.
sheep,
Very good. Correct. Okay, one more time.
sheep.
Very good. Okay, he's hanging on the ship. All right. Can you see the flying car?
Um, yes, I can. But it's fly very high.
Yes, it's flying very high. And the
Yes,
color of it is red. Okay?
yes.
Mm-hmm. Did you see Captain Hook? Can you see Captain Hook?
Where he?
Where is he?
Yes.
He's in front and he's holding a sword.
Oh,
Okay, and there is a pirate hat. We studied about pirate, correct? So
yes,
the man who is wearing a pirate hat, he's called, and there's a hook, okay, hook on his hand. His name is Captain Hook. Okay, so we
yes.
will be studying places here. Okay, so there are some words. Turn your book to page 2. Okay, the slide page 2. These are the places, all right, that we can study. Okay, so our vocabulary here is places in town. Do you understand that word? Places in town.
Uh, is it the places in the town?
Yes, very good. Do you understand the word performances?
No.
Performances like dancing, singing by some artists or by some local people. Okay, they can
Uh,
dance cultural dance, Vietnamese cultural dance, or ethnic dance. Those are performances. Okay?
yes.
Mm-hmm. How about free time activities? What does this mean?
Uh, and it's um the things about the free time.
Activities that we do on our free time, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Do you like dancing?
No.
No? I'm sure you don't like singing.
Yes. I don't like it.
Okay. So how about in the school? Do you sometimes have performances?
Yes.
What kind of performance do you do?
Mm, art and singing.
Oh, I see. Can you give me an example, okay, of your little singing in the school? School play.
I forget them.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
So next time. Next time. Anyway, this is our lesson for until this week, Unit 17. Okay. How about here? A film review. Do you understand that word? A film review.
No.
A film review is watching movie in the cinema.
Uh,
And then you are going to say something about the movie you've watched. Example, I watched, I see Annabelle in the cinema. And my review is, oh, Annabelle is really scary. That's my review. Okay?
yes.
Yes. All right. So that's a film review. Got it?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Now, have you seen a movie recently?
Movie.
In the cinema.
Yes.
What have you seen?
Uh, I forget it too.
You forgot it? Mm.
Yes.
Next time you watch a film and share it with me. Okay? All
Yes.
right. Next, when we say adverbs of frequency, can you say that word? Adverbs of frequency.
Adverbs of frequency.
So frequency means um, the times you do the actions. How many times you do the action. Okay? Example,
Yes.
I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Okay?
Uh,
3 times a day is an adverb of frequency. Okay, let me put it my example here. I brush my teeth or every after meal. Okay? Here.
yes.
So every after, okay, the word every is an adverb of frequency. Okay? Another.
Yes.
I sometimes um, swim, okay,
Yes.
in the pool or swimming pool. Okay? The word sometimes here is adverbs of frequency. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so we will tackle that as we go on with our lesson. Okay?
Yes.
Now we will be also studying the preposition on, at, and in. Okay?
Yes.
These prepositions are this, okay, this shows location. These show location. Since we are talking about location or places, we will be using some prepositions like on, at, and in. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Now, let's move our. Oh, just have only six minutes. Okay.
Yes.
So let me just. Uh, okay. So I will just check the audio for that. Unit 17. Okay. So I'll be sharing it with you and you can play it. You can play it now.
Yes.
Are you starting to listen to it? Just tell me when you're done, okay?
Yes.
Are you done?
No.
No? Is it very long?
No.
You just repeat it.
Hello, everyone. This is Elf Learning with My Town. Phrases 2. What do you do in town? Here we go. Library. Library. Borrow books. Borrow books. I borrow books from the library. I borrow books from the library. Movie theater. Movie theater.
Definitely.
Watch movies. Watch movies.
Yes.
Alright. So this is what we're going to do because it's almost time. Okay, let's see. You are going to make us answering the question here. Look at the map and make a list of the places you know. Okay? So
Yes.
example, at least 5 sentences. You say market, school, garden, and bus station. So just like what you've seen in the movie, you will be saying, example, school, um, study my lesson. Okay, so I study my lesson in school. Okay,
Yes.
all right. So that's your homework also. So you just choose five places here and make a sentence with them.
Yes.
Okay, so is that clear?
Yes.
So you can see the map on page 4. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So that will be all for tonight. Good night and have a nice evening. Okay. Bye,
Yes.
Kian.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Okay, you too.